Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can connect your Pinterest account with Metricool. Well, to connect your Pinterest account, go to your Metricool account, and to connect it, either you can find Pinterest in the sidebar, or you can go to Connections under your profile menu. Here, click on Pinterest and log in with your Pinterest credentials. Then click on Give Access to connect your Pinterest account. And here you can see that your Pinterest account has just been connected. And you will be able to see the stats under the Summary tab from now onward. And remember, with the free account, it will give you stats for only 3 months. And this is how you can connect your Pinterest account with Metricool. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.